question we have to find the maximum value in a list. Okay, so first we need to take with by using max method. Okay, so max method, like using max method you can do. So how we can do it is very simple idea. I am checking a variable that is a z is a variable. In this z variable I am just taking the list. So keep in mind, if I'm taking if I'm saying to all to find the maximum value in a list, it means all the values in a list should be in form of the one data type only. You can't mix, you can't take the mix kind of the information. If you're putting, there is no issue, you can take, you justify the definition of the list. But at the time what happened, if you try to sort, definitely we have the mixed kind of the information. So at the time sorting will not be possible, and sorting will not be possible. Then again we will have an error. So right now we are assuming that if we have the list of the element which are into the randomly, I'm just taking, so I'm just taking any random values like this one. So on doubt D. Okay, so I hope you can understand now. This is, yes. So if I try to print Z, so what does it print? It print the Z. And let us check its data type. So if I try to do print type Z, so we can check its data type as well. So after running this part, we can see total number of the element which are stored by the Z, that is to be printed over here. And what is the type of this variable Z? That is a list. So it's showing everything is okay. There is no issue. By using max method, so how we can find is a simple idea. You can take or you can take the max method. So what is the name of the variable, list variable? That is z dot max, and we need to pass anything special. So we can do, so this is another approach. But another approach is saying to, if in the max method we can pass the z. So if we do so, now let us check what to be printed over here. So 2345, and that is 2345 is here, yes, here, and that is printed over here. So from the list, by using the max method we can pass. And unlike a max method, we can also have the min method. So same things we can also follow the here. So we have also got it the minimum max method. There is no minimum max value from a list. But my question is not ended here. My question is that without using max method, how to get largest value? This was my point. So you can use your, you can use your
Sir,
logic. Yeah, just tell me.
sir, sir, can we make the increasing or decreasing order of a list?
Yes, I'm coming on that part. Since rather than using loop and other things, so it is better idea to, we can make all the list in form of sorted way. So there is a beautiful
Yes, sir.
method, that is not a sorting method. So what is the name of the variable over here? Z. So Z can be sort by using the Z dot sort. Okay, so with this method, what does it mean? It will sort. It will sort all the elements in a list. Okay, so after sorting this one, so definitely the sequence will be the 12 to 2 3 4 5 instead of the 4 6 7 8 23 12 or 89 to 74. So all the element which has to be stored by the this one, that is to be printed over here. Now let us check after printing this one. So first we will check. So first we will print list of the element without the sorting, and after sorting here, after sorting the list which is contained by the element which is contained by the jet variable to be printed here next time. Now it will print perfectly, there should not be issue. So let us check. Yes, of course. So this is an unsorted list of the element. This is a sorted list of the element. Till now any doubt you have, then please you can ask me. Yes, please tell me. Any doubt over here?
No doubts.
No, sir.
So if I want to print the largest value, then how I can print? So just print z
Sir, minus one value.
minus one, because we can take the minus one, that is we need to start counting at the last. So we can take, so after printing this, the largest value to be printed over here, that should be 2345. Yes, of course, that is 2345. So this is simple logic by which you can do. So where we are using loop, no, within the two or three statement we can sort our, we can find our problem a row, just like finding the largest number by using a method that is sort method. So we can also do. So logic is saying to all, we can solve any problem within the 2 or 3 lines. So why you are taking the unnecessary do, why you're taking unnecessary any other concept? Okay, just simple idea, you can take it. So is it clear to all right now? Please tell me, is it clear to all how to find the maximum number,
Sir,
large number?
can you
Yes.
explain the last method, z minus 1?
Since yes, I can say no problem. Now see over here. Now in our Z, all the elements are in our Z. All the elements are stored from 12, 23, 23, 23, 34, 46, 66, 74, 78, 89, 90, 112, 112, and 245, and 9, 65, and 2345. Now, is it clear to you all that how we are storing the Z value by after sorting? After sorting all the value in a Z
Yes,
to be
sir.
updated in the sequence of the, okay. When talking about the zero, so if I'm taking the Z0, so on the zero index value, what value to be printed? Please tell me what value to be printed?
12.
12.
12. Same thing. If I go for the one index, then what value to be printed? 23. And so on, so on, so, and so on, so on, so. At the last Z value, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So on the 13th index value, it will print 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, please tell me. Yes. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So by using here, I'm writing here by using negative index, negative index concept, we can start indexing in negative way. So if we do so, then how we can so? So last value, last index value, that is the, we have the sequence 0 to 30
13.
index, 13 index. This can be written like 13, 14
13 to 0 in the negative order.
minus 14 to minus 1.
Minus
0
1.
will not be
Yes.
counted. So minus 14 to minus 1, because total number of the element we have the 14. So this is known as the positive index,
Index.
and this is known as a negative index. If you
Negative.
remember, if you remember.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so we have used something. Okay, so that's why it is just printing over here. Yes. Now, is it clear to all right now? Tell me, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so if I print Z minus 14, so what does it print?
12.
20. It is printing 23. Let me check once again. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Actually, there are 15 actually. So just let me correct this one actually. This should be 15. So there will be 15. So there's no issue. So it will print the 12 right now. But if I try to do so, just like print to Z minus 16. Okay, if I try to do so, then what error will be get? Definitely it is out of index. Okay, so let's say just out of the range. So it will not be printed because total number of the element we have the 15. In negative way we will count from the minus 1 to minus 1 to, okay, or we can say the minus n to by small value, that is minus 1. So this is a point we need to keep in mind. So this is a simple point. Okay, so any doubt over here? Then you can ask me. Yes, please tell me any doubt.